Yeah man, blessed day. Welcome back to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. You don't know a thing, know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Or we'll kick it off. So listen to the intro.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Alright, so what I really want to talk about today is customer service. Customer service in Jamaica. Wow, this is going to be a tricky topic. Me are going to be 100% real and authentic. When it comes to, Jamaica are one of the nicest places on earth in terms of the tropical beauty, the beaches, the hotel, the whole atmosphere of Jamaica is a nice place to be. Especially when you have money, you can really enjoy Jamaica. Unfortunately, a lot of people can't really afford certain things, so them can't afford certain lifestyle. So them can't really see the beauty of Jamaica. So that's why I work hard to try get some money so I can enjoy some of the big lifestyle. I don't reach there yet, but I take my time and see if I can get up to that level. Anyway, customer service. I don't want to stray away from that topic. Customer service is a it is the vital component for any business to be successful. If you don't have customer service, you don't have a business. Every business place, every workplace, I don't care what kind of work you do, any kind of job, any work, anything you do where you have to deal with customer, you have to have customer service, premier customer service. If you don't have that, goodbye to your business. It will not strive. It will not succeed. It would be the ultimate failure. Customer service is right there with everything. It is one of the most important, if not the most important aspect of any business. So you see how me emphasize on customer service to show you how important it is. Now, Jamaica, me born and grow, and I love Jamaica, but Jamaica has a poor customer service.
Yo, you see this a KFC at downtown Mandeville. May I tell you, sir, the worst customer service in the whole of Jamaica. Remember me tell you that.
Any business, alright, I want to break it down because I don't want to generalize. Because let me get this out of the way. You have nice customer service in Jamaica. Places like banks, places like hotel, places like high-end places. Some 5-star restaurant, that preach and make sure they hold their associate accountable pertaining to customer service. High-end places, doctors, nurses, some schools, some universities, banks again. Those places primarily will have great customer service because they are held accountable by their employers, and they make sure keep customer service training to make sure the customers are properly addressed and serve accordingly. So on the local level, like a little supermarket, a little shop, a little wholesale, you know, a little bar, a little, you know, some local level where we, you know, go spend with money, and we are go to the restaurant, they go eat some food, you know, we are go to the barber shop there, go cut me hair, you know, me I go to the hairstylist there, go style me hair. The female then go to the nail tech, go do them nails, and so on and so forth. So I want to come down on the local level, because you have some local level businesses, they got nice customer service. So I'm not talking about you guys that knows on a local level, you guys do a good job on customer service. I'm talking about the ones that are not doing a good job on customer service. It is very poor, and it is very sad, because, for example, if I come to this restaurant, me and my family, and I heard about this restaurant, and you know, I was like, okay, I'm gonna take my family to the restaurant to have some food, you know. Anyways, go to the restaurant, and nobody greets us. Nobody tell us good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Nobody really greets you. They just come and, what you want for your order? What you want? Like, really? So, okay, so that is the first red flag. No greeting, no good afternoon, no how are you guys doing, welcome to the restaurant, we have this, we have that, none of that. Just what you want.
You serious?
And you harder, and then now, boom, you wait 25 minutes, 30 minutes, nobody comes to check on you or anything. That's bad customer service. Terrible customer service. And then when the food come, the food cold like puppy nose. The food can't hear me cold.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
And then now when the food cold now, you say, hey, you know, say food kind of cold, you can warm it up. Why are this and that and that and this? Boy, I tell you. Boy, we not easy, you know, brethren. Again, me not talk, I'm not generalizing. So don't get upset. I'm not talking about everybody. I'm talking about on the local level, the ones that needs to do a better job pertaining to customer service. When me and my family pay with money and leave in that restaurant, they not get no tip, and them not see back with face again. We are not coming back to this restaurant. And that have to do is not the food that was cool, you know. Is the customer service, the body language, the lack of communication. No customer service, none. And the thing is, they don't care. Most times, the employers of that restaurant, they don't even know that the associates, the waitress, the receptionist, they don't know that they are doing a terrible job. They don't really know, because most time the owners of that facility is not there. Sometimes they are at home, sometimes they are on vacation, sometimes they are overseas. They don't know that this is the reason why their business is not booming and nobody is supporting their business, because there's no customer service. It's bad. It's terrible. I see too much time. And on the flip side now, if we go at a restaurant, I heard about it, oh, good customer service, good food, everything is nice. And when I take my family now to this restaurant, And then we step in, the first thing they greet, hey, good afternoon, how you guys doing? Hey, we're good. You know, what, you guys can have a seat, you know, welcome to such and such restaurant. We are happy to host you guys. I hope you guys enjoy your meals. We have the menu here, and they show us the menu. We order, it's warm, the place is clean, right? They have professional customer service. Now we sit, and they come back, and they say, hey, would you guys need some broth, or you guys need some soup or something, or what they call it again? Appetizer. Yeah, appetizer. They ask you if you need appetizer. And I say, yeah, you know. Even if you don't need it, just the customer service that you're getting makes you want to take anything they want to give you. That's how powerful customer service is. We sit, drink our broth, okay. You know, the food is going to take 15 minutes to be ready. So I will continue to check on you guys and make sure you guys are good. That is customer service. So now the food ready. Food come hot, steamy, nice. What do you guys would like to drink? We got tropical redeem, we got soda, we got water, we got coconut water. Boom. Customer service again. In the middle of we eating and eating and eating, right? They come again. If you guys need anything, just let us know. And blah, blah, blah. Okay, fine. In my mind now, me I text my family, I say, yo, this restaurant we are come from now. These are the best restaurant. The food good, the customer service good, everything's perfect. Rest assured, when I'm leaving that restaurant, anywhere the money will come from, they are going to get tipped properly because they did a phenomenal job on customer service. Even if the food is not really good, say for instance the rice is a little bit tough and could have steamed a little bit softer, the customer service alone makes even the tough rice taste soft. You serious? Because the customer service, oh, people don't understand customer service. It is very vital for any company, any business. And rest assured, we are come back at this restaurant. And that example can apply to any business, from barber, hairstylist, restaurant, bank, anything at all. When you get good customer service, when you're treated like how you want to be treated, when you get good customer service, that's why for my profession, every time I go in my workplace to do my work, because I'm a full-time barber, I always got customer. Always. Because I have natural customer service ability. I'm not gonna say, oh, I'm gonna be in the mood every day. No, everybody is human being. So you're gonna have down times, you're gonna have up times. You're gonna feel bad sometimes. Sometimes you're not gonna want to go to work. But you have to understand, say, yo, once you go in, you have to remember customer service. Because if you have 100 customer and you do 99 good, and then now you do one bad customer service, that one bad customer service can kill the whole 99. Because that one customer that you treat bad, that one customer is going to tell everybody else, don't go to that barbershop, don't go to that restaurant, don't go to that bank, don't go to that facility, because they don't got customer service. And remember, you do 99 good, but a one bad customer. So you have to remember, when time you do one bad customer, yo, it'll go have an effect. Try your best to do the 100 customer good. May I tell you? So I hope somebody learned something today, and customer service is very important. And Me wish down at Jamaica, especially on the local level, the lower level, you guys, the employers, the managers, the owners, them need to start teach the people them how to do customer service. Because how some people, some associates, some workers, how them talk to them pitney and them parents and them yard in a one terrible state, I see them way them bring it come at the people in the workplace.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
And it is very distasteful. And I'm not perfect because I have my own flaws as well, but I'm working on it. But when it comes to customer service, I don't play. You have to have customer service. You have to. That's how you're gonna have customers. That's how you're gonna have clienteles. A man can go on barber shop. A man can come cut him here now. And if I do not a good job in the haircut, but my customer service was great, that man I go say, you know what? Probably he have a little bad cutting today, but his customer service was so good. He might come back to me. But no matter how the haircut good, if me have a bad and distasteful customer service, no matter how me haircut nice and sharp, if me have a bad and distasteful customer service, more often times than not, that customer is not coming back because he's not going to be comfortable getting his haircut by me, even though I'm a good barber. You get it? Same thing. So you don't know. Hope you guys like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. Yo, just squeeze the subscribe button there, squeeze the like button there, and just tell me something. That's all I need. That's all I need. We don't need nothing more. We don't need no money. We don't need nothing. Just click the subscribe button. That's all. Enough respect. Big up on yourself. All right.